Hi, we are developing interior 3D modeling using AutoCAD software. Here, we have started with the hole. Here we did the interior sofa arrangement and a TV arrangement inside the wall niche. I'll change my projection to perspective so that I can see in a better way. Then we move to the dining. Here we have arranged a simple dining table and seating arrangement. Then we move to the kitchen design. Here we have inserted the kitchen cabin arrangement and a refrigerator and a trash can. Then we move to the bedroom. Here we have arranged a bed and a working station with a wall-mounted shelf. Then we mirrored the same arrangement to the other room and the toilet arrangement also done with a water closet and a lavatory. Then finally we move to another bedroom. Here we placed a bunk bed. Okay, now let's continue with the veranda. Here I'm going to insert a veranda chair and I'll place in the nearest to the surface of the floor. Okay, now I'll zoom into the chair. Here we can find the chair and here I'll select the chair. Using the rotate gizmo, I'm going to rotate into certain angle. Like this. Then I'll get into the viewport control and here I can see the 3D and the top view simultaneously. And I'll zoom to the veranda area and in the top view as well. Then using the move tool, simply I can select the chair and locate it precisely. Then again I'll insert the gate and I'll place it on the floor like this. Then in the top view, I can precisely arrange this one. I'll say M enter to move in this direction. And again, I'll say move the same object in this direction. Okay, great. That's how we develop interior 3D model using AutoCAD. Let's continue with the course.